Welcome to the journey of well-being. Here we explore the secrets of nature and discover the healing power of plants. Have you ever considered that the astringent taste in strong tea, or the slight bitterness in pomegranate peels, is not merely a flavor? It is, in fact, a chemical language that plants have been speaking for millions of years. A language of defense, regulation, and healing. Tannins are powerful, subtle compounds with remarkable biological effects. Ancient civilizations describe them as the astringency that grants the body strength, while modern science sees them as complex phenolic compounds that protect plants and benefit humans. When we examine the nature of tannins, we find that they are high molecular weight polyphenolic compounds, composed of aromatic rings rich in hydroxyl groups. They are characterized by their unique ability to precipitate proteins, bind minerals, and inhibit microbes. These compounds are classified into three main types: hydrolyzable tannins, condensed tannins known as proanthocyanidins, and complex tannins that combine the properties of both. Tannins are abundant in a wide range of plant sources: pomegranate peels, tea leaves, oak bark, jujube fruits, nettle, wormwood, and laurel, plants used for centuries in medicine and food, with science still uncovering more of their properties and benefits. One may wonder, why do plants produce tannins? What drives them to secrete such heavy compounds? And why do they appear in hundreds of species across so many environments? Tannins serve as a shield against insects and fungi, binding to microbial cell wall proteins, disrupting their activity, and preventing them from invading plant tissues. They also reduce herbivory, as the astringent and bitter taste makes leaves less palatable, a highly effective defensive mechanism in forests and pastures. Additionally, tannins protect plant cells from oxidation and from ultraviolet radiation by neutralizing free radicals and maintaining cellular integrity. They also regulate water and minerals within tissues, helping plants survive in dry or saline environments. They are not merely an astringent taste, but a complete defensive design, meticulously crafted by nature. Tannins have moved from being just a flavor to becoming important medicinal agents. They have been used for thousands of years in pharaonic, Chinese, and Islamic medicine. Today, biochemistry confirms that these compounds are not just plant flavors, but genuine therapeutic molecules. Their benefits appear clearly through their sources. Pomegranate peels, rich in punicalagin, show anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and strong astringent effects. Green tea, rich in catechins, especially epigallocatechin gallate, protects the heart, improves memory, and fights microbes. Oak bark, rich in tannic acid, is effective in treating diarrhea, stopping bleeding, and cleansing mucous membranes. And sumac fruits containing gallotannins act as antifungal, astringent agents capable of neutralizing toxins. The power of tannins lies in their ability to bind proteins within tissues, helping stop bleeding, strengthening mucosal integrity, and treating diarrhea. They inhibit inflammatory enzymes, eliminate bacteria and fungi, and protect cells from oxidation. Thus, the astringent taste becomes treatment, and the plant's phenolic coating becomes a medicine that repairs, sterilizes, and protects, a clear manifestation of nature's concentrated power. In the plant world, not all astringent flavors are the same. Not every brown layer on a fruit's peel is merely a color. Each plant has its own chemical fingerprint. Tannins are not a single substance, but entire families of molecules that intertwine, degrade, and react to give the plant strength, defense, and flavor. In the world of dark molecules, the phenolic ring becomes a defensive force, and the astringent taste becomes a true medicine. Scientists classify tannins into major groups, each with a distinct structure and medicinal function. Hydrolyzable tannins are found in pomegranate, oak, acacia, and chestnut. These include gallic acid, galotannins, and elagitannins, the most famous of which is ellagic acid. They show strong antioxidant, tissue, protective, and antimicrobial effects. Condensed tannins, or proanthocyanidins, are common in red grape seeds, tea, cocoa, cinnamon, and peanut skins. Catechin and epicatechin form long chains that make these tannins more stable and more potent. They support heart health, improve circulation, and combat oxidative stress. Complex tannins appear in chestnut, oak, and certain types of bark, forming hybrid structures that combine hydrolyzable and condensed tannins, offering the properties of both. At the human physiological level, when you taste a fruit rich in tannins and feel that astringent grip on your tongue, the journey does not end in the mouth. It triggers a cascade of chemical reactions throughout the digestive system, the blood vessels, the tissues, and even at the cellular level. Tannins bind to membrane proteins to form a protective layer that inhibits inflammation. They soothe inflamed tissues, prevent microbes from attaching, reduce bleeding, accelerate wound healing, and protect the digestive tract. By forming a barrier against toxins and bacteria, they act as powerful antioxidants that stabilize free radicals and help regulate the microbiome by targeting harmful bacteria without significantly affecting beneficial ones. In plant chemistry, taste is not just flavor, but a message. And color is not just pigment, but a hidden defense and a complete form of medicine. In the next episode, we will open the pages of history and follow the trail of tannins, from the very first wound treated by the ancient Egyptians to the latest chemical research of the 21st century. Until then, we meet again on a journey that spans thousands of years.